Cats are known for their quirky behaviors, and one of the strangest and most puzzling habits is their fascination with plastic bags. It's not uncommon for a cat to be drawn to a plastic bag, sniffing it, pawing at it, and sometimes even licking it. For many cat owners, this odd behavior raises the question, why do cats lick plastic bags? While it might seem unusual or even concerning, this behavior is more common than you might think, and there are a variety of reasons why cats are attracted to plastic bags. To understand why cats lick plastic bags, we need to delve into their instincts, sensory preferences, and the specific properties of plastic that seem to intrigue them. At first glance, it's easy to assume that the plastic itself is the source of their interest, but the real reason behind this behavior lies in a combination of sensory stimulation, texture preferences, and even past experiences. One of the most significant factors behind cats licking plastic bags is the sound they make. Cats are highly sensitive to sound, and they are often attracted to crinkly noises that remind them of hunting and foraging behaviors. The crinkling noise produced by plastic bags is similar to the rustling of leaves or the sound of small prey animals moving through the underbrush. In the wild, a cat's acute sense of hearing helps them detect prey, and the crinkling sound of a plastic bag can trigger these hunting instincts. The noise might make the bag seem like it contains something of interest, and the cat may lick it as a way of investigating or interacting with it. This is especially true if the cat is in a playful mood or is feeling energetic. The crinkling sound, paired with the act of licking, can be a form of interactive play for the cat. Another explanation for this behavior involves the texture of the plastic itself. Plastic bags are often made of thin, smooth material that may feel interesting or satisfying to a cat's tongue. Cats' tongues are covered in tiny, backward-facing barbs called papillae, which give them a rough texture that is used for grooming and manipulating food. The papillae on a cat's tongue are extremely sensitive, allowing them to detect different textures and surfaces. When a cat licks a plastic bag, the smooth and sometimes slippery texture of the material may create an unusual or intriguing sensation on their tongue. The cat may continue to lick the plastic because it feels interesting or enjoyable to them. In addition to the texture and sound, the smell of plastic bags could also play a role in why cats are attracted to them. While plastic itself doesn't have a strong scent, many plastic bags are infused with the smells of the materials they have come into contact with. For instance, if a plastic bag has been used to carry food, it may retain faint scents of the food, which could attract a cat's attention. Cats have an exceptional sense of smell, and they are often drawn to scents that are unfamiliar or intriguing. If the plastic bag smells like something edible or like a recent grocery trip, a cat might investigate it further by licking or biting it. Some experts believe that plastic bags may appeal to cats because they have a similar texture to some of the items cats might encounter in their natural environment, such as prey items. Wild cats often hunt small creatures like rodents, birds, and insects, and some of these animals may have fur or skin that feels similar to plastic. The act of licking the plastic bag could be a way for the cat to engage in a behavior that mimics hunting or interacting with prey. This behavior could be especially pronounced in younger cats or kittens who are still developing their hunting skills and are more likely to engage in repetitive, exploratory behaviors. Another possibility is that cats lick plastic bags due to a condition known as pica, which is characterized by the consumption or licking of non-food items. Pica is not uncommon in cats, and it can be caused by a variety of factors, including boredom, stress, or nutritional deficiencies. While pica is most often associated with the ingestion of non-food objects, some cats may exhibit a form of pica where they lick plastic without actually consuming it. If a cat's diet is lacking in certain nutrients or if they are experiencing stress or anxiety, they may resort to licking or chewing on plastic as a way of coping with these issues. If a cat is regularly licking plastic bags or other non-food items and showing signs of distress or unusual behavior, it may be a good idea to consult with a veterinarian to rule out underlying health concerns. Cats are also known to be attracted to new or unusual objects in their environment. Plastic bags are often associated with new experiences or items, such as groceries, shopping trips, or other changes in the home. Cats are naturally curious creatures, and they may be drawn to investigate a plastic bag simply because it represents something new or different. The act of licking the plastic could be a way for the cat to explore and learn about this unfamiliar object. The scent and texture of the bag, combined with its novelty, may trigger the cat's curiosity and lead them to interact with it more. Additionally, plastic bags may serve as a source of comfort for some cats. Just as some cats seek out specific spots in the house to rest or engage with certain objects for comfort, a plastic bag may offer a familiar sensation or an outlet for relaxation. The act of licking or pawing at the bag could provide a form of mental stimulation or stress relief for the cat. It may also be a way for the cat to self-soothe if they are feeling anxious or overstimulated. Cats often have individual preferences when it comes to objects they find comforting, and for some cats, the plastic bag might be one of those objects. In some cases, the behavior of licking plastic bags can be tied to early life experiences. Kittens learn a great deal about their world through their interactions with objects and their environment. If a kitten had early exposure to plastic bags or was raised in an environment where plastic bags were common, it may have developed a habit of licking or playing with them. This learned behavior can persist into adulthood, even if the cat no longer feels the same need to explore the bags out of curiosity. The repetition of this behavior over time can become ingrained in the cat's routine, while licking plastic bags is a relatively common behavior in cats. It's important to remember that not all cats engage in this activity. Cats have unique personalities and preferences, and some may never show any interest in plastic bags, while others may be obsessed with them. The behavior can vary depending on the individual cat, their environment, and their past experiences. If your cat is excessively licking plastic bags or seems obsessed with them, it's important to ensure that the behavior doesn't pose any health risks. Ingesting plastic or swallowing pieces of plastic can lead to gastrointestinal issues or blockages, which may require medical intervention. If you notice that your cat is eating plastic or shows signs of distress, such as vomiting, diarrhea, or lack of appetite, it's essential to consult a veterinarian for advice and possible treatment. To prevent excessive licking of plastic bags, it can help to reduce the availability of plastic bags in the home. Keeping plastic bags out of reach and ensuring that your cat has plenty of other stimulating toys and activities can help redirect their attention and reduce their interest in plastic. Providing a variety of enrichment activities, such as puzzle toys, interactive playtime, and climbing structures, can also help prevent boredom and minimize the likelihood of your cat engaging in potentially harmful behaviors. The strange appeal of plastic bags to cats can be attributed to a combination of sensory factors, instinctual behaviors, and individual preferences. The crinkling sound, texture, scent, and novelty of plastic bags all contribute to a cat's fascination with them. While the behavior is often harmless and rooted in natural feline instincts, it's important for cat owners to monitor their pets and ensure that their curiosity doesn't lead to health problems. Understanding why cats are drawn to plastic bags allows owners to better interpret their cat's behavior and provide a safe and enriching environment for them to thrive.